Welcome to the class, students. Today we are recalling the next concept in index number, that is how to calculate the 5 methods: Laplace method, Pasch's method, Marshall-Edworth and Derbyshire-Bowley and Fisher's. These 5 methods using price index number. If based on price index number, how to calculate these 5 methods, that we are going to see in this class. Let's take down the problems first. Calculate from the following data: compute price of LA, that is Laplace, index of PA Pasch's, Marshall-Edworth, Derbyshire-Bowley and Fisher's. These 5 we have to calculate. Okay, so take down the problem. It is items, next base year, in that price, base year price and expenditure. Next current year, in that current year again price, expenditure. Items 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 1, 5, 50, 20, 8, 30, 5, 8, 2, 10, 60, 48, 20, 70. So this is the data they have given. In this data they have given the base year price and expenditure, not quantity, it is expenditure, and current year price and the expenditure. Expenditure is nothing but the value, okay, total. This expenditure is always expenditure is equal to price into quantity. Expenditure is nothing but price into quantity. If it is comes under base year expenditure, it is base year price and quantity, and base year price we call it, denote it as P naught. Similarly, if it comes under current year expenditure, it is P1 Q1 and current year price is P1. So here to calculate these 5 methods, again no need to calculate the P0 Q0 and P1 Q1, already they have given. Instead of that, we don't know what is Q0 and what is Q1. That we have to, that quantities for both base year and current year, that we have to calculate. To calculate Q0, it is P0 Q0 divided by P0. And to calculate Q1, it is P1 Q1 divided by Q1. Sorry, P1. So first we have to take the ratio of expenditure by price, because expenditure is price into quantity. So calculate this Q0 and Q1 using the given data, that is P0 Q0 by P0, 50 by 2, 20 by 4, 8 by 1, 30 by 5. Like that we have to take the ratios. Don't multiply this with the 100. Okay. So your value is 25, 5, 8, 6. Similarly, calculate Q1, that is quantity. For current year, it is 60 by 5, 48 by 8, 20 by 2, 70 by 10. So values are, Q1 values are 12, 6, 10 and 7. So we already P0 Q0 is there, P1 Q1 is there. Next we have to calculate another 2 columns, that is P1 Q0, P0 Q1. Okay, that is P1 Q0, P0 Q1. These 2 we have to calculate. P1 Q0 values, that is P1 is price, current year price, with Q0 value. This price P1 into Q0, that column I am writing P1 Q0 is 125, 40, 16, 60. Next P naught Q1. P naught is base year price into current year quantity. This one, these two columns I am multiplying, that is P naught Q1 is 24, 24, 10 and 35. Now you have to take the summations of these things. Okay, now we are taking the summations of these things. Okay, now for P naught Q naught we have to add this one. So this total is 108. P1 Q1 it is 198, and next P naught P1 Q naught is 241. P naught Q1 is 93. So this is how we have calculated the values. This is how we have calculated the values. Next is, now we have to calculate all the 5 methods, that is all the 5 price index. First one is Laprise method. P01 of LA is equal to summation of P1 Q naught by summation of P naught Q naught into 100. See, always while we are writing the formula, it should be in the form of P1 by P naught. P1 by P naught. In this form only we should write. And here, if for Laprise, we will take the base year quantities. Similarly, P01 of PA, that is Pash's, it is summation of P1 Q1 by summation of P naught Q1 into 100. This is how we will write the formula. If you know the Laprise and Pash's formula, next 3 formulas it is easy to write. Okay, first learn Pash's and Laprise formulas. It is P1 P naught. This is also P naught, P1 P naught. If we consider base year quantity, it is Laprise. If we consider current year quantity, it is Pash's. For both formulas, we have to multiply this with 100. Now substitute the values. P1 Q naught is 241. P1 Q naught is 241 and P naught Q naught is 108 into 100. So P01 of LA Laprise is 223.1481. 223.1481. Next for Pash's, it is P1 Q1. P1 Q1 is 198. P naught Q1 is 93 into 100. So P01 of Pash's is equal to 212.9032. 212.9032. So this is how we have calculated the Laprise and Pash's. Please don't forget these 2 formulas for next 3 formulas. Pash's, Derbyshire-Bowley's, Marshall-Edwards, Derbyshire-Bowley's and Fisher's. Again we will use these formulas only. Next one. So P01 of ME Marshall-Edwards, this is summation of P1 Q naught plus summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P naught Q naught plus summation of P naught Q1 into 100. Now substitute the values. It is 241 plus 198 divided by 108 plus 93 into 100. So P01 of ME Marshall-Edwards is 439.201 into 100. P01 of Marshall-Edwards is equal to 218.4079. 218.4079. So here the Marshall-Edwards formula is very, very important. You just observe this. This half of a formula, this P naught Q1. So P1 Q naught, P naught Q naught. This formula is Laprise and this formula is Pash's. So we have added the 2 numerators and added the 2 denominators. Laprise and Pash's formula. Next we go with the Derbyshire-Bowley. Derbyshire-Bowley P01 of DB is equal to half of summation of P1 Q naught, summation of P naught Q naught plus summation of P1 Q1, summation of P naught Q1 into 100. Again, you just observe the formula. This is Laplace formula and this is Pasch's formula. We have added these two and again we have taken the 100, we have half that. It is 1 by 2, half of that. It is 241 by 108 plus 198 divided by 93 into 100, and this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 439 by 201 into 100. So P01 of dB is equal to 218.0256. 218.0256. So for all the formulas, the base formula is Laplace and the Pasch's. Last one I am calculating now, that is Fisher's. For that also we will consider the same formula. Fisher's. It is summation of P1 Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 into, here we are taken the product, summation of P1 Q1 by summation of P0 Q1 into 100 and this square root. The square root, after taking the square root for this, we should multiply this with 100. Don't take the 100 inside the square root. So this is, it is 241 by 108 into 198 by 98 into 100. 100 we should multiply at last. After simplification, after taking the root, it is 217.9655. This is P01 of Fisher's. So for all the five methods, the base formula is Laplace and the Pasch's one. Laplace and the Pasch's. So in examination, they will get any 2 or 3 methods for your calculation. Sometimes this will be for 10 marks also. Next, go for another one. We have calculating all the 5 methods with commodities. Next, base year, quantity, base year quantity and value. Next, current year, again current year, quantity, value. So I'll write down the values. B, C, D, E and F. 25, 30, 5, 6, 10 and 4. Values 750, 450, 50, 90, 40, 48, 30, 25, 6, 7, 5, 960, 550, 360, 210, 90, 65. So this is the data they have given. See, in this data they have given the quantities and values. We know that value is always price into quantity. Value, expenditure, everything is always a product of price into quantity. So here they have given the quantities and the values. So base year value we call it as P0 Q0 and current year value as P1 Q1 and base year quantity is Q0, current year quantity is Q1. Now the first step is we have to calculate the prices for the base year and the current year, that is P0. P0 is P0 Q0 by Q0. We have to calculate this one, and P1, that is P1 Q1 by Q1. So now we have to calculate these two, P0 and P1. To calculate this, we have to take the ratio of these two, value by quantity. So after finding this, the values are 30, 15, 50, 15, 14, 12. Similarly for P1, 32, 22, 60, 30, 19 and 13. After finding this, to find out all the 5 methods, 2 products are there, P0, Q0, P1, Q1 is there. Next is P0, Q1 and P1, Q0. These 2 products and the total we have to take now. Okay. These 2 total, this total and this total. These totals I want. First I will take down the products, that is P0, Q1. P0, Q1. I will write down the P0, Q1 values: 900, 375, 300, 105, 140 and 60. And P1, Q0, for P1, Q0, it is P1 and the Q0. These 2 columns I should multiply. So it is 800, 660, 300, 180, 190 and 52. Now you take the summations of these 4. So I will write down the summations: 1880, 2182, 2335, 1728. So these are the values, final values, so that we have completed the table. Next is calculate P01 of Laplace, that is summation of P1 Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. Okay, so this is P1 Q0. P1 Q0 is 2182, P0 Q0, P0 Q0 is 1728. Multiply by 100 and this is 126.2731, that is P01 of LA. Similarly, P01 of PA, that is Pasch's, it is summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100, and P1 Q1 is this total, that is 2335. P0 Q0 is, P0 Q1 is this 1880 into 100 and this is P01 of PA is 124.2026. So we have calculated these 2. Next is Marshall-Edwards. So formula to find Marshall-Edwards is summation of P1 Q0 plus summation of P1 Q1 summation of P0 Q0 plus summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Now substitute the values. It is 2182 plus 2335 divided by 1728 plus 1880 into 100. After simplification, P01 of ME, that is Marshall-Edwards, is 125.19408. This is 125.194. Next, P01 of DB, that is Debye-Pohle, that is 1 by 2 into summation of P1 Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 plus summation of P1 Q1 summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Substitute the values, that is 1 by 2 into 2182 by 1728 plus 2335 divided by 1880 into 100. After the simplification, P01 of DB, that is Debye-Pohle, is 125.2376. So Marshall-Edwards is 125.19 and Debye-Pohle is 125.23. Next, I will calculate Fisher's here only. So P01 of Fisher's is equal to summation of P1 Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 into summation of P1 Q1 by summation of P0 Q1, the square root into 100. After taking the square root, we should multiply that with the 100. So this is square root of 2182 divided by 1728 into 2335 divided by 1880 into 100. So this P01 of Fisher's is equal to 125.2323. So just observe all the formulas first. See, this is Laplace formula, this is Fisher's formula. Again here this is Laplace, this is Pasch's, this is Laplace and this is Pasch's. Again in Fisher's also this is Laplace and this is Pasch's. So the base formula for all the rest of the three methods is Laplace and Pasch's. So in examination you will get any two of the methods to solve. Sometimes it will be for 5 marks or if they ask for 10 marks also. So it is very important concept. The thing is whether they will given what are the givens they have given, that what are the given data we have to observe, whether it is value, expenditure, expenses, whatever they give we have to convert, we have to change, we have to take the numbers whichever we are required. Okay, please follow this one. Thank you.